Wait.
Go
Got
ahead.
it? Okay.
Alright.
Alright. Positions. Okay. Positions. Beginning. First position in straight line. All girls and guys. Second position, guys and girls. This is 2 lines. Doing sinanga. Tulo. Okay. Let me see. Third. Oh, the first sinanga is the kick, the one that I showed you, like that one. That's the kick. Okay. Second sinanga is the round, where me and Noli was going around. That's the round. And then what I mean by doing the second position on the kick, meaning that like the girls in the front, guys in the back doing the kick. The very first time, it's guy girl in one line doing the kick. I don't know if you can kind of get that one, but just you can give Kaka a call. And then where there's going to be like where there's no singing, the no singing part is the the grapevine. Okay? And then you can always kind of like redo. There's first and second verse. First verse, second verse, third verse. First verse, the girls down first, then guys go down, and then after that together where they were going like this. Okay, that's in the first verse. The second verse, the guys and girls is gonna go down together, you know, on the da 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 da. Okay, guys, girls, guys together. Okay. Third verse is the girls will go down and the guys are gonna look to them. Okay, that's the third verse. All right, I think we're all good. Any questions? Just call Kaka. Okay.